Christianity. Kasi yung pinag-ugatan natin is from the Jews. And the Jews have one practice which is definitely admirable. Hindi po ako kasama doon sa mga Yahweh movement. But, you know, the Jews have what they call the Shabbat, which is what, every Friday evening until the next Saturday. And then they have the Shabbat meal. And then there is a point, may ritual eh, talagang parang sunod-sunod yun.
Jewish.
Opo, the Jew. Ang ending, when the mother lights, and then they will give us the bread, and the son will usually ask, what does this all mean? Ano po ibig sabihin ito? That's why we have Deuteronomy 6 when they say, Hear, O Israel, the Lord thy God is one. Laging pinapaalala yan. Tayo mga protestante o kayo mga kung meron kayo, kasi mainline, I suppose most of these people here are mainline. We have Sunday school. But in Sunday school, you don't really get, they just get little stories. But we need to tell our story. We need to tell the story of how God created the world, but because of man's disobedience, man's disobedience, there was a fall. We learned to become a disobedient people. And now God began to look for His people. Ikwento talaga natin. Ikwento natin kung ano yung kwento ng mga natin. Huwag natin laktawan, oh, God will bless, God will this, God will... Tama na yan. Let's teach them the story, our story. That hanggang kay Kristo, hanggang sa atin ngayon. We need to be able to tell them the story. So that yung mga bata, alam nila kung ano pininindigan nila. So that when the time comes, that they are tempted, that they are made to do wrong, that they, katulad yan, kung pinakitaan ng pera, pinakitaan ng Hermes, ng mga handbag, pinakitaan ng kung ano-ano, hindi sila, masisilaw. They need to know who they are, they need to know their values, and they need to know that they have a beginning and an end. One day, we will stand face to face and meet our Creator. And there's going to be an accounting. 10 talents, 2 talents, no talent. There's going to be an accounting. So let us remember that we're not just preparing for now. We have a future to look forward to. And that future is glorious. It will be on earth. When Jerusalem, the bride of Jesus Christ, will actually come down, tayo yun. You're sharing Christ, hindi ba? Of course, mga kwento lang talaga ito. It's done cinematically. But it tells us there's still going to be a point of glory. Have you ever seen pictures of the cosmos? Have you ever seen pictures taken by the large telescopes? You will see canyons and canyons of cloud formations. You see thousands and thousands and millions and trillions of stars. Can you imagine why there is such a magnificence and extravagance of stars? Because in a sense, it is telling us that all of these worlds are waiting for us. Because one day, 1 or 2 of your own descendants will become, this is according to the story, stewards of the entire cosmos. We belong to a cosmic story. We don't just have a small little book. We have a whole world to consider. And I'll tell you, brethren, those who are in Christ have a future to look forward to. Good morning, God bless.
Good morning.